Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I am truly Tara and here I do skincare reviews, makeup unboxings, this, that, the other, and today I have Twisted Allure. Thanks to my buddy Tabitha, I had never really, I don't know, I might have seen an advertisement, but like I seen where she posted something and I was like, okay, I've got to try this. So like, subscribe, comment, share, do the thing, and let's unbox this. Okay, so first, they have a creamsicle. And this is like Truly Beauty and Halloween Had a Baby. That's the only way. I don't know if, I mean, it's called Twisted Allure. So, it just so happens that it's Halloween season. So, I think that this is, season long. All right, so this is Creepsicle whipped soap, and I really wish now that I wish, like it's very orangey, and I absolutely fell in love with Truly because not the first thing that I got was unicorn fruit, but the second thing that I got was the what's it does that kind the vegan collagen, and the polish smelled like orange creamsicle, and I absolutely fell in love with it, and it made me fall in love with Truly. And I don't know, I swear it just seems like the scent does not stay with you. And I actually today used this, and I used my Truly Cocoa Cloud to shave, and then I used this, and like the scent, you can smell it, like, but I hope that there's lotion and all that stuff, because I feel like you have to have the whole line. But I'm super excited that I have somebody else that does the orange creamsicle. Okay, I'm going to save the best for last. Okay, so next we have Cookie Monster Blood, and it is a sugar scrub. So cute, so cool. And it smells awesome. So it is chocolate chip cookie scents. I'm in heaven right now because I have begged the other place to do a chocolate scent, and the closest that they have is the Dulce de Leches, and that's good, but it's not chocolate. Like, okay, so next is Coffin Cake, and this is a sugar scrub, and it's strawberry cake. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I want to follow this up because I just ordered this stuff. I wanted to, see, test, so next I want to go in and get like the lotions, like with Pure Honey, I got lotion, scrub, and oil. So that scent definitely stayed with me all day. Definitely stayed with me all day. Okay, so last but not least, Spooky S'mores Split Scrub. And it is graham cracker, marshmallow, and chocolate. Heaven. I'm telling you what. Oh, I wish that you could smell. I wish. AI, do we have scent yet? We need to work on scent, because y'all need to smell this. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I wanted to use this today, but I didn't want to mess up the pretty, like, it's just, I don't know. You just got to be somebody like me to appreciate like the newness of it. Like, yeah. So last night I had this by my bed. It was still in the box. Still, I mean, I had opened it one time, but I was laying in bed and I could smell that chocolate coming through the box. So that tells you how strong of a scent that is. And I love it. I will take smelling like a chocolate cookie or a chocolate s'more over Prada any day of the week. That's just me. And it's because, though, that those scents, there's something about that scent of a perfume. It just makes me sick. I just can't. I'm allergic to scents. But this stuff, I can use it and smell good, and it doesn't make me sick. It doesn't make me, like headache and all that stuff. And I actually seen somebody on Influencer who was talking the same thing. They were saying the same thing. Like, it's not Prada's fault, or, like it's, but somebody else was saying that they got headaches, or that specific brand gave them a headache and blah, blah, blah. Like, I think it's just a thing with some people. Like, you just, those scents you just can't handle. Like, it's too strong, and when you smell it for too long, like, it just, because at first, whenever I put that Prada on, I was okay. And then, like, the second time that I wore it, after a couple hours, like, I would smell it, and it's great that it stays on. Like, that's a plus. But every time I would smell it, like, it would just make me, and that's with all perfume. So I'm so glad that I have these things that, now I can smell yummy. All right, I'm gonna shut up. And like I said in the last, like, we are over 200, and blows me away. But we will be having another giveaway, and I want you guys to be the first to comment. I've noticed people in the comments, like, they're like, I'm the first to comment today. So I have really liked that. And so that's what I want you guys to do. Be the first to comment. So in the next so many videos, like, I'm going to be keeping track of who's the first to comment. All right. I am going to see you guys in the next, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.